Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Today we're going to take you guys through a brokerage listing. We have a 2021 Tidewater 256 LXF. Really nice boat, always stored here on the rocket trailer. So the rocket trailer is included in the package. Again, 2021 Tidewater 256, powered with twin 150 Yamahas, white hull sides. Everything's in really nice shape. Here's the back of your twin 150s. These were just serviced. We have just over 100 hours on the engines. Take you guys up into the boat and take you through a quick walkthrough. We have a nice boarding ladder bringing you into the cockpit of the boat. We have a comfortable seating arrangement here on the back. Tidewater did a great job of not only building a fishing boat, but a great platform for the family to enjoy as well. So you'll notice great seating throughout the entire boat. You have a nice boarding door, which is going to close shut. And then you also have a port side boarding door as well. On the back of the helm, you have a live well. So we have two live wells in the boat. One here and then one underneath the aft seat. Rod holders, storage for knives and pliers. Nice comfortable helm seating. You can see the upholstery here is in really nice shape. Diamond stitching. Two fish boxes, one off the port, one off the starboard side here in the deck. And then a nice helm area. You can see we have a fully integrated windshield with a windshield vent up there in the top. Nicely appointed with electronics, VHF radio, touchscreen Garmin, all of your Bocatech switches, Yamaha throttles, JL audio, and a dedicated Yamaha display for engine data. A freshwater washdown right here. As we walk up to the bow, you have a nice seating arrangement, wraparound seating with backrests, JL audio speakers, windlass anchor up here in the bow. Nice lounger here in front of the console. Very nice boat. Would love to tell you guys all about it. Please feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Again, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Feel free to give me a call and we'll be happy to set up a showing or tell you all about the boat. Thank you very much.